time. This is gonna be the game we play every morning. To the bus on time. Get there on time. We made it on time. The bus arrived. The kids are off to school, and we are going for our daily walk. We each got our water bottle. This is the cutest neighbor or house in our neighborhood. She sets up these little like fairy garden things so the kids can play with them. It's finally getting to that time of year where we can open up all of our doors and windows to cool the house off in the morning. The kids were like, I'm freezing. I'm like, the windows are opening. I've been waking up before the kids in the morning to get ready, but then I go for a walk in the morning and then I'm hot and sweaty. But I feel like if I don't get up and get ready, then I'm not as productive for the day. So I get ready and then I sweat. But either way, I've got a few things I need to get done this morning, and I'm just gonna bring you along with me. Every morning I start a load of laundry. I try to start the laundry before I get the kids off to school, but it just didn't happen today. Some people have a laundry day where they do all their laundry in one day. I couldn't do that. No, a load or two a day to keep up with the family of 7. The 2 laundry soaps I have been using lately is this Truly Free. It's empty. This right here is actually a Molly Suds. This is the whitener, but this is like a peppermint kind. Both of them are very clean ones. They don't have like harsh chemicals in them, which if you're trying to go like a cleaner route, I would switch your laundry soap over because there's so many unnecessary chemicals that will absorb into your skin from your clothes. So that is one thing I like to switch over. We like to do our hair in the kitchen. Does anyone else do that? I like to have a portable basket with all of our stuff, and we just do it in the kitchen while we all eat breakfast. Kitchen isn't terrible. I am going grocery shopping this morning and I need to get it all put away before I bring groceries into the house. We had yogurt parfaits for breakfast. We are running out. I use my homemade yogurt for sour cream. I use it in place of like a Greek yogurt in recipes, like I cook with it. So lots of things, we go through a lot of it. I started a batch before I left the house this morning. If you want to know how to make it, I have a whole video on it, you guys. It is so easy. If you watched my Instagram stories and you did the same mistake I did, your Kirkland peanut butter, organic peanut butter, goes in the fridge, not the cupboard. Same with maple syrup. This goes in the fridge, not the cupboard. Don't learn the hard way like I did. You can tell what the kids took as their school snack today. They peeled up a bunch of cuties. Oh, I should put these on my disposal. These smell good. I'm gonna clean my disposal, please. I lied. Most of us had yogurt parfaits for breakfast. One child snuck into the cereal, which I didn't even buy. Landon went to the grocery store and came home with like, oh, what is it called? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And I'm like, Landon, now the kids are gonna eat that. And sure enough, someone ate it for breakfast. So I was like, hey, if you eat that for breakfast, giving you a protein shake. I needed to pull these up from downstairs. We just do the subscription where this gets sent to us once a month. Best money ever spent. You guys, I think having protein powder on hand, it's so good. You can add it to anything if you need more protein, and most people lack protein. So this is the brand we like. It's Health Code. There's a vanilla and a chocolate flavor. So anytime I'm like, I feel like the kids just need something to sustain their bodies longer, then I will whip up a little protein shake for them. So that's what we have. My discount code is down below. We have been drinking this stuff for years because it is such a clean powder. Like all the ingredients in it are very clean. You've got your apple cider vinegar in it. You don't have to take fish oil if you take this. Like there's just so much good stuff in here. And one of these days, I will organize this cupboard. Wait a minute. And yes, I do like Just Ingredients as well because they have other flavors that Health Code doesn't. So I go back and forth actually between the two brands. Does anybody else just like shove them close? Ooh, look what I have. I'm going to practice self-control, not eat them. This is why I don't mind making homemade yogurt. It may seem like it's time consuming, but it's really not, because I'm already in the kitchen doing stuff, and you just kind of do it in between being in the kitchen. The actual time that I spend doing this kind of stuff is very minimal. You will never find my microwave being disgusting and dirty, because that's one thing I will not let happen. We try to reheat a lot of our food up on the stove, but I will not let my microwave get to the point that it takes me an hour to scrub. Nope, just a quick wipe down every time we use it. Do not even get me started on this stove top. I don't even want to spend a lot of time. I just want to do a really quick job. It is Friday. After 2 weeks of having the kids into school, I'm really looking forward to the weekend, and so I'm excited for them to get home from school. So I'm just doing a real quick rundown of the kitchen, kind of cleaning things up before they get home for the weekend. If I have not convinced you yet that Force of Nature is the best like multi-purpose cleaner, maybe I'll convince you today, because it really is great stuff. I just ordered these capsules. The easiest thing to do, don't let this intimidate you. Here, let me show you. This is their bottle, but I actually like to use my own bottle. When you first order the kit, it comes with this little machine, and you fill it up with water. These capsules are the perfect combination of salt and vinegar. And I know a lot of people use vinegar to clean, but this is different than just plain vinegar. This isn't gonna completely strip things like vinegar. This acts as bleach. So when you put this in this machine right here, and then you plug it in, kind of shake it around just a little bit, watch all of these bubbles. The salt and vinegar and water, and then the combination of the electricity, it just changes the chemical nature of it, and it turns it into what is just as effective as bleach. You can use it on high chairs, kid toys, binkies. I used it on my countertops. You can use it for animals. You can use it in the bathroom, everywhere. Toilets and sinks and toothbrushes. This is great for toothbrushes, to clean those. You let it sit for like 10 minutes to sanitize, and it's not harmful, it is safe, and it sanitizes really well. So once you make it up, this will last for 2 weeks, but I always use it up within 2 weeks. I do probably like one a week is what I go through. Also, if I have not convinced you to bake with sourdough, you should do it. I have got some videos on how to get started. I don't have one on how to make your starter, but find one. That's all I have to say. It's so much easier. I've neglected this one and I need to feed it. I do have a video on how to maintain a sourdough starter. I will get around to making videos on how I make bread and pizza dough and all that fun stuff. All right, who's jealous of my beautiful pot holder? I should plant this outside, but I'm too lazy. Is it gonna leak? Yeah. I need to get some pot holders for these. I have a very friendly neighbor who keeps giving me plants and I don't want them. I'm like, oh, thank you. He's like, here's another plant. I'm like, I don't know how to take care of it. He said, don't water it too often. I said, okay. It's been about 2 months since I've watered these things. And I don't know how to take care of them. Rubber tree is stayed alive, and I'm putting that on the floor because I don't have a tray under it. Agave americanae, I don't know, it's kind of dead. If I'm being honest, I want to toss the cactus plants. Green light all the way around means it is done. And in fact, you can use Force of Nature on your plants. If you have plants that are struggling, I have never really done it, but I've been told you can spray this on your plants as well. Here's your mommy. This is a happy sight to me. The kitchen is clean, got something cooking always. I always find something of the kids. The kids will be home it'll be the weekend and it'll be a mess, and that's okay. I need to get going to the grocery store, but she was playing so well and I just wanted to sit for a minute. I cannot believe it has been exactly a year. It's been a year since we moved into this house, and then Landon went back to Utah to finish up his dissertation for his degree. It's been a year since things fell apart. If you've been following and if you know us, you know. And I just can't believe how much. Good job. You want a sticker? I still just have so many thoughts that I want to share, but I don't want to share, and emotions and feelings, and it's just been a crazy year. And I feel like right now in life, things are good, but they're also really busy. And I feel like everyone always says that life is busy right now, life is busy right now. Life's gonna be busy tomorrow and next year. And I asked Landon yesterday, is there anything in our life that we can like say no to? Like, is there anything that I can like take away to like stay mentally, like, you know what I mean? Not really. We just have to manage things the best that we can, and we're doing fine, but I just feel like, man, things just never do slow down. Basically, I just can't believe it's been an entire year since everything's happened. It's just a lot has changed, and we're still making changes, and that's good, and that's a good thing. So I came to Walmart to do my grocery shopping. I have been told, or I've seen on social media, I've been influenced by some people that they are rocking it in the clothing department. So I'm just gonna see what they have, although I'm sure Walmart.com probably has more options than in-store. But my goal though is to also stick with my grocery list and not deviate from it. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, this jacket, it is just so cute. Are you kidding me? Okay, they are running out of sizing options, but that is such a cute form-fitting jacket for the fall. This is cute and comfy. Okay, this little corduroy dress. That is darling. We all knew I wasn't gonna stick to my list, so I will show you what I got that I was not on my list. This little dish tray was $1. $1. I thought it was such a cute little serving tray. Millie has a dress that needs a shirt to go under it, and I thought these little matching shirts, just simple, just very basic simple shirts to go under their dresses would be really cute. I did not get any clothes for me, but I am probably going to be placing a Walmart order of clothes because I saw some really cute things in store. When I see chips baked in avocado oil, I usually like to get them, so these sounded good. A barbecue chip. I have been loving making my own ice cream lately, and I've made this Cherry Garcia one that's amazing, and they still have cherries in season, or they were there and they were on sale, so I grabbed a chocolate bar and chocolates to make some homemade ice cream. Millie is down for a nap, the groceries are put away, dinner is even started, and I like to come out here. It just feels so nice. The weather is perfect. Do you hear how loud it is? I'm just going to end my morning here with you guys, which, by the way, it felt good to pick up the camera and do what I have done for so many years but haven't done in a long time. It's just like, just be me. If you're not from the Midwest or you're not used to cicadas, I'm just gonna like show you around our yard and have you listen to the beautiful sounds of nature that I absolutely love, but is also so annoying at the same time.